What is she doing?
No!
What?
Why would you no, sir? No, ma'am.
Guy, what?
Why is he doing that? He seems
Oh,
okay with
man.
it though.
Oh.
He seems fine.
He been playing. Yeah, I guess he can breathe. Good job.
That's a disturbing visual.
Whoa. Oh, mate.
Oh, okay. Face mask. I mean, this it's a beauty treatment.
Of course.
People pay for this.
Yeah, but from the side.
Oh.
Okay. How to keep men stable
Exactly.
on the bed? Give him watermelon.
Give him watermelon. Give him food.
Give him food. Yeah.
He looks at her so lovingly. It's true love. This is true love.
Okay. Wow.
Perm lotion. Okay. So we're making his eyelashes on fleek right now.
Have you ever had such experience in your life?
I've never had this experience ever. No.
Wow.
It looks like a very premium quality experience. Wow. And a lollipop.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I wish I got this experience. Kind of.
Oh boy.
Maybe. I don't know.
Wow.
Have you had a facial before?
No.
Okay. The closest thing I've gotten is where I get a haircut, and
Yep.
then my hairdresser likes me, so she'll give me a scalp massage afterwards.
Oh, okay.